Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and then let's tap on the display. Here we have to find Eye Comfort Shield. Of course, we can turn it on without the customization, just by tapping on the switcher. And as you can see, the screen will turn a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you want to customize it, just tap on it. And here, as you can see, we've got this switcher, which will allow us to change the color temperature. By going to the left, we can make it cooler, and to the right, much warmer. So we can clearly see this yellowish color. What is more, also other colors are a little bit dull or washed out, I would say, in comparison to, for example, no color temperature. Here you've got also the schedule option, so you can leave it always on, which simply means that you have to manually turn it on or off. You can set sunset to sunrise, and here your device will automatically decide when the sunrise and sunset are. It's, I believe, location based. And you've got also the custom time, the custom option, so you can set your own time you want to, the start and the end time. It's up to you. I will leave always on. So basically this is the whole customization of the Eye Comfort Shield. However, you can also have much faster access to it, and all you have to do is to unroll the top bar and unroll it fully to see those icons and find the Eye Comfort Shield. You can turn it off just by tapping on it, and the same situation if you want to turn them on. So basically that's all. This is how to manage the eye comfort mode in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.